This is Eve and Elijah. Now we're going to show you how to make super cool stretchy slime. So first, the ingredient is, well, first you'll need a bowl, and then
next we're going to need Elmer's glue.
And then you'll need shaving cream, and you'll need contact solution.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make it. I'm wearing gloves because my hands are really dry. You don't need to wear them, but if you want to, it's fine. First you're going to need to do is put the glue so it covers the entire bottom of the bowl. I'm just going to take off the entire cap. Just be careful you don't get too much in. Whoa. Okay, can you give me the next ingredient? The next ingredient, usually if you want to do food coloring, you're going to do it now and stir it in until it's the color you want.
But we're not going to do food coloring.
At least we aren't. You can do it if you want. Now we're going to put some shaving cream in this, about 4 times bigger than the bowl. I mean, about 4 times more than the glue. Okay.
And then you're supposed to mix it up really good.
Now we're going to mix it up really good. Now, can you put this in there while I'm mixing it?
You need a tablespoon.
Now we're going to need a tablespoon. Forgot one ingredient.
Shaving cream.
Now we're going to need a tablespoon of contact solution. And then
Get it on me.
we're going to put it in there. And then we're going to mix it up.
Mix it up. Okay. Now, this slime is usually going to be like that slime right there. Can you show me your slime? Now,
It's going to end up like this after, if you put food coloring in it.
okay, can
This
you mix
is the
it up?
slime that I made earlier. And this is what it's going to look like after if you put food coloring in it. But if you don't, it'd be the same as this.
Coming together, add a little bit more shaving cream.
More shaving cream, please.
It'd be just like this, but white if you
More
don't.
shaving cream. Can you do it? Thanks.
That's good.
So if you don't put food coloring in, it'll be just like this, but it'll be white.
Now, the slime, it'll take a while to mix, but once it's getting like harder to stir or mix with your hands, that's the clue that you're getting. That means it's almost done. Now, see how Elijah's is way more tougher than mine right now? It's because we haven't mixed it enough yet. So it's gonna take a little while. Can I have more context stuff? Don't you?
Oh, just a little bit.
Well, now the contact solution is gonna keep it together and tight. Do you want to mix it too?
Yeah, sure. So you might want to use a fork.
Yeah, I have one right there. Okay, now this slime is very, very sticky.
But after you mix it up, see, like when you squeeze it like that, it's easy to rip off like that.
Yeah.
It doesn't stick to your hands. But like that, it sticks to your hands.
Oh, I think
So
we're
after
almost
that,
done.
you're gonna mix, mix, mix.
We need more shaving cream. That's a lot of shaving cream. Now, usually you're going to keep on having to add ingredients, but if your ingredient's perfect, then I think you won't. Because mine turned out perfect, and Elijah's kept sticking to his like this is.
Because my hands were wet.
And that too. But it's just... Okay. And...
No, no, don't do that.
Okay. Now I think we're almost done. Because it's starting to not stick to me as much. Elijah, is it sticking to you?
This?
No, it's this.
Yeah, still.
Still? Come on. Let me smile then. Okay. Let's just keep on going. I think we're about done. Here we go. Okay. I think we're done with our slime. Do you want to mix it a little more?